We're here today at the Bloomfield Science Museum in Jerusalem, showcasing a new exhibit on digital fabrication. The exhibit showcases digital fabrication technologies. Visitors to the museum get to see a wide variety and array of technologies and concepts related to the way things are made in the digital age.
The aim of the exhibition is to shed light on the cutting-edge technology. We want the kids to be surprised, we want them to be amazed, we want the kids to choose science and technology in their future.
Of the many 3D printing technologies that are showcased in the exhibit, Stratasys' PolyJet technology was one that was really important for us to highlight. They were able to reproduce or to create photorealistic or hyper-realistic objects that visitors are absolutely at awe that they're actually 3D printed and not what they appear to be.
For example, the bust of Nefertiti is something that we could never imagine showing here in the museum, and by having a replica that was made by Stratasys, it is here and it is another topic for us to talk with our audience.
One of the fields that's very natural to digital technologies is fashion and clothing. And we have in the exhibit a couple of examples from Stratasys that showcase their ability to print directly onto fabrics using a high-resolution photopolymer in full color, which gives many different options design-wise when realizing garments and pieces of clothing for individuals. Throughout the development of the exhibit, we had an ongoing dialogue over a few years with Stratasys, understanding where this technology is headed and what more can be done with it, and sort of leave visitors hungry and thinking to themselves what more can be done both application-wise, material-wise, and sort of really indulge them in looking into the future and where the world is going with respect to 3D printing. And I'm looking forward to many more exhibits and many more opportunities to work together.